Today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this knife set. This is one of the most popular selling sets on Amazon. I'm going to walk you through. We're going to cut up a bunch of stuff. I'm going to answer every single question you could possibly have about that and even tell you 3 things you need to know before you buy this. But first, let's get into the overview of this. So this is a 6-piece set. What that means is you're going to get 5 actual pieces and your block is your 6th. This is made out of plastic and you have drainage holes on the bottom over here. What I like about that is if you put your knives in here wet, I do not recommend that. My dad is a chef, so that was never allowed. But you always kind of want to wipe them clean and then put them in here. So this is super nice because it's super compact. It's not big at all. This is a plastic base. So let's kind of look at what we got here. So we have these scissors right over here, really well designed, like the handle, super comfortable. These knives are dishwasher safe. So if you want to put in the dishwasher, I haven't. Like I said, my dad is a chef. We don't do that, but you could totally do that. So don't worry about that. So this one right here, this is going to be our chef knife. This is 8 inches. We got a really nice, comfortable handle on here. I've got a couple other sets from this company before. They always do a good job. This handle is probably like one of my favorite handles that it comes with. Just really easy to grip. There's just something about it. I can't really put my finger on it. And then we're gonna have right over here, this one, this is going to be our kitchen knife right over here, 7 inches, a little butcher block knife right over here. This guy right over here is going to be our slicing knife at 8 inches. Again, this is stainless steel and it's coated with black, so it's rust proof. So you don't have to worry about that. If they get kind of wet or you don't dry them or whatever, you don't really have to worry a ton about that. And then this guy right here is going to be our utility knife coming in at 5 inches. Now, the cool part about this block is there are no rules. You could put these knives wherever you want. You'll see right over here, there's different slots right over here. So there's way more slots than there are knives. So for whatever reason, you wanted to had another knife or whatever, you wanted to stick that in here, that's not a problem. You just literally just put them in just like that. You'll see it just slides in and out very easily, no problem whatsoever. You could put them right on top of each other. You could put them like side to side. You could put them all on one side. You could do whatever you want. You could just have a bunch of different configurations here and they just move around however you want. I personally like to put them in order. So I like the actual big kitchen knife right over here, I want in the back. Then this kind of chef knife is gonna go next right over here, followed by this one. It's just easier for me because I know where everything is. And then you have that. And then of course we got our scissors right over here. This is a great starter set of knives, or maybe you're just looking for some other knives, or maybe you have a cabin or Airbnb or something. I want to give the people a couple knives to cook with or whatever. They're super sharp. All of them came wrapped individually in this packaging right over here. The blade will be in this top plastic right over here. How it will work is you're going to get this base in a box. Your knives are going to be in a white skinny box. They'll all be wrapped just like this. Awesome set, all in one. If you're looking for a great knife set that's super easy to set up, does not take up a lot of space, this would be great for an RV as well. Definitely check these out. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right knife set for you.